Your cat's been lying to you? Follow for more Persian chaos. Look at that fluffy Persian prancing around in a blazer like he pays rent. He don't pay rent. He don't even have thumbs. But there he is, measuring your floor with a tape measure he definitely stole from the neighbor. This cat's got a 5-step plan to redecorate your entire life while you're at work. Step 1, judge your empty room. Step 2, drag a rug across your floor like he owns the deed. Step 3, position a sofa with the precision of a man who's never once hit a toilet bowl at 3 a.m. He's hanging plants now, from the ceiling, with a ladder. OSHA ain't gonna like this, but OSHA ain't here. OSHA's at home wondering why their own cat won't even cover its business in the litter box properly. 4 floating shelves, 6 throw pillows, 1 brass cart repurposed as a side table, cause this cat watched 1 episode of Fixer Upper and thinks he's Chip Gaines now. He's fluffing cushions, he's adjusting curtain lengths, he's got opinions about your life choices, and he's expressing them through interior design. By minute 6, he's lit 3 amber lamps, and the whole room's glowing like a dang Pinterest board. Golden hour hits different when a flat-faced feline in reading glasses orchestrated it. And there he sits, on the arm of that sofa, paws crossed, smug as a rancher who just sold you a 3-legged horse and called it rustic. You didn't adopt a pet. You hired a consultant, and he works cheap. Just kibble and the occasional dead mouse left in your shoe as a performance.